Have you ever wondered about the difference between Docker containers and virtual machines? Let's break it down in just under 3 minutes. First up, virtual machines. Imagine a hypervisor like VMware or VirtualBox managing multiple virtual machines. Each VM includes a full operating system, whether it's Linux or Windows. On top of that, you have applications running within the VM. While powerful, this setup can be resource-intensive, as every VM replicates a full OS. Now, Docker containers. Unlike VMs, Docker doesn't need a separate OS for each application. Instead, it uses the Docker daemon to run lightweight containers. These containers share the host OS, dramatically reducing overhead. It's like having multiple apps packaged together, running in isolated environments, but without the bulk of an entire OS per app. The result? Containers are faster to start, lighter on resources, and ideal for microservices. Meanwhile, VMs shine when you need complete OS-level isolation. So what's your use case? Virtual machines for full-stack isolation? Or containers for agile and efficient deployments? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to SRK MasterStack for more bite-sized tech insights.